Hey guys, Jacob here with ZZ Diesel. Got a really cool product spotlight video for you guys today for the 2003 to 2007 6.0 liter Powerstrokes. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about the up pipes that are notorious for cracking on these trucks. I'd like to show you guys what happens on your factory up pipes. As you know, there might be a weird exhaust sound or a hissing sound, something of that nature. What it's typically caused by is a crack in the bellows themselves. As you can see, we have a demonstration model here to show you the crack on a factory up pipe. This is what the factory up pipes look like, the bellows from the factory and everything. What we have to show you today is our ZZ-11-86-P. This is our version of the factory up pipe. It's a direct replacement, all of the hardware, gaskets, and everything that you need. Heavy duty bellows here so that you don't have the cracking issue that you've seen over there. This is a great upgrade for you guys. We highly recommend it for any 6.0 owner. Even if your up pipes aren't cracked yet, these things are a great upgrade. They're really affordable, and it's a pretty easy install. Only going to take you guys a few hours to do them, even if you're a do-it-yourselfer in your backyard. This style up pipe, along with many others for other year makes and models, can be found on our website. If you have any questions, give us a call about this product. Our number is 800-749-0688, and you can find these online at zzdiesel.com.